Hello everybody, I am Aaron Gogna and I welcome you to Gognats, Nuggets of Wisdom, Wit and Wackiness. I am here now having a meeting. This is our weekly meeting of all builders of our community, the Light of Jesus family. We are one community bringing people closer to Jesus, and we meet every week, once a week. Sama-sama kaming lahat. Meeting, fun, fellowship, eating together, discussing what we need to do for our community, discussing the talk, and we are really enjoying ourselves. Tingnan nyo ang gulo-gulo namin. The break time naman ito, hindi meeting. But I would just like to show you this. This is part of my world. And what's the lesson here? Very simple. You have to be surrounded with people who are doing the same thing and you have the same dream with you. Are you surrounded by giants? I call them giants because these people, most of them are successful in what they do and what we do. And I would like really you to be surrounded by people who are like you, or better yet, better than you in that field, in the same field, okay? So kung writer ka, sana meron ka mga kaibigan, mga writers din. Kung ikaw ay financial guru, dapat may mga surrounded ka rin by financial gurus. You cannot be alone. Sabi nga nila, no man is an island, no woman is an island. So if you really want to be successful, to grow, you have to be surrounded by giants. Surround yourself with good friends who will lift you up, and when you're down, they will lift you up. If you're up too high, too high, yumayabang, they can tell you so you can put yourself down and balance your life. You really have to be surrounded by great people. Ako, every week, pero hindi lang every week, most of the days I am with these kinds of people who are focusing on blessing many, many lives. And kaya matibay ang ating buhay kasi pinaliligiran tayo ng mga nagsusubok na maging matibay din. So I encourage you, my dear friend, surround yourself with great people, with giants. If you don't have those friends, giants, look for them. Minsan kailangan nyo sadyain, hanapin, makipagkaibigan sa kanila. Kasi maganda naman ng purpose mo, maganda ang pangarap mo. At pag pinaligiran ka ng mga ito, they can motivate you, influence you, inspire you to go and reach for your dreams. So my prayer for you is that be surrounded by great people, be surrounded by giants. So I will see you again tomorrow. Pupunta na ako ron kasi meron kaming challenge na ginagawa at yung challenge na yan inspires everybody. Thank you for watching, and tomorrow I will see you again. Don't forget, be surrounded by great people. Be surrounded by giants. Look for them today. Tawagan niyo sila, mag-meeting kayo, mag-coffee kayo, makipagkwentuhan kayo, but be surrounded by great people. God bless you. I'm Aaron Gogna for Gognats. Thank you for watching. Share this video to your friends. God bless.